I chose to come here to the Grand Traverse Pavilions after a friend came to me right out of high school and said that she found this really great job helping care for seniors in the community.
I was working at a bank and I honestly had no idea what the letters CNA stood for. I took my lunch break to come to an interview at Grand Traverse Pavilions, which was the old medical care facility then.
I started out as a universal worker. So what I did as a universal worker is I would come in and I would sit with residents, I could do nails, I could help with hair, I could do all of those extra things aside from actually providing patient care.
When I began my career as a CNA, I already had a degree in healthcare administration and I was looking forward to starting nursing school in the fall. So the summer before I started nursing school, I became a CNA, and that really only reinforced that I wanted to be a nurse.
I took a position in the CNA class, I completed the class, took my CNA licensure, became a certified nurse's assistant, and worked as a nurse aide for 6 years on the Birch Pavilion.
I started at the Grand Traverse Pavilions in 2007 as a certified nurse aide while I was finishing school to become a registered nurse. I've worked as a registered nurse here since that time. I have been in the role of Director of Certified Nurse Aides for the past 2 years.
There is room for job growth. I ended up going to nursing school while I worked here. The scheduling staff is very good at working with our CNAs to try to get them to be able to go to their classes while they're still working.
I'm really glad I continued my education, went to school, became a nurse. I went here locally at Northwestern and stayed employed. They were very good about working around my schedule, my school schedule. It was an easy transition for me. I got to work the different shifts. I got a lot of training, not only as a CNA, but then filtering through into a new position, as well as now in an administrative role as CQI coordinator.
As I moved through nursing school, I loved being a CNA. I love working with people, and I always had an appreciation for everybody in healthcare, and so working in each role gave me a greater appreciation for each role. I think that I learned what was hard about their job, what was nice about their job, and I feel like I've just always used that as I've moved on in healthcare.
The requirements to apply for our Certified Nurse Aide training program is the individuals must be 17 years of age, they must need the ability to pass a background check, a physical, and a drug screen. Our Certified Nurse Aide program is offered free to individuals with the expectation that upon completion they will work in a full-time position as a Certified Nurse Aide. Our Certified Nurse Aide training program is 17 days total. The first 10 days of that program are lecture and lab, and the last 7 days of the program are clinicals where you get to practice the skills that you've learned in class with the residents. Nurse aides can work for up to 4 months as a nurse aide prior to taking their Certified Nurse Aide examination. Upon completion of the 17 days Certified Nurse Aide training program, you become a nurse aide. The day after you complete the program, you can begin working with our residents. Upon completion of the nurse aide training program, you will be titled a nurse aide. You will then need to take a Certified Nurse Aide examination. Once you have passed that exam, you will then be a Certified Nurse Aide. That certification is only for the state of Michigan. The State of Michigan Certified Nurse Aide training examination costs $125. The Grand Traverse Pavilions will assist with completing the application, submitting it, and will pay for the fee of the examination. At the Grand Traverse Pavilions, some of the benefits include health, dental, vision, insurance. We have a retirement program. We offer an on-site gym that is free to employees and open 24/7. We have on-site employee-only child care, which offers a pre-tax payroll deduct option for payment. Many local businesses offer discounts to Grand Traverse Pavilions employees. We have an employer referral bonus program. We offer a longevity bonus and have a paid time off system. Individuals can work as a CNA in a full-time, part-time, or on-call role while enrolled in college, and we also offer scholarship programs to our employees. The Grand Traverse Pavilions is a continuum of care. Working in a continuum of care, you build lasting relationships with a multitude of generations. You form close bonds with residents who have a lifetime of memories to share.